A little tongue inside my mouth, I use it all the time.
Currently 6 AM and it's still super dark. Our bus is picking us up at 6:15, so we're gonna quickly eat breakfast, scoff down as much food as we can, and then go out because we have a full day ahead.
Did all the film. Then Jenny edited, made a great montage. Now she's like, oh, made a great montage. Let's film everything.
I made it to the village.
So we're about to hop on these longboats and head up to the waterfall. Not a bad walk. Looks a bit rough over there. Great view. As you can see, Jenny's walking fast as always. A bit rocky. See if we can catch up to her. Made it. Now I've got to trek to the waterfall. Do you get a little seasick?
No.
I got a little seasick. Yeah. Now it'll be Santa Claus carrying this sack.
What you want? What you want for Christmas?
I was thinking maybe one of those old-timey...
Too late! Take too long! Sad Christmas! What you want?
Fire truck!
What color?
Red!
Next!
Ah!
All the way to the waterfall. It's alright. Santa comes bearing gifts. If you're on the naughty list, you don't get a gift. Oh. We're at the waterfall, about to hop in. Let's go. It's so nice. Definitely worth it. 10 out of 10 for golf. Finally convinced Jenny to come in. We're here. How good is it? This guy's on crack. Hey, do a flip. Hey! Hey! Ouch! Ouch! Have my children! Again on crack. Again. I don't know if you can see them. Hey! So we had our fun at the waterfall, lucky we had enough battery. Now we're gonna go back. But because Jenny was so brave, I'll piggyback her back. We're in my swim.
Oh, just kick me.
Gentlemen. Gentlemen. As you can see me underwater right now, I'm doing the crab crawl. Look, put her in the water.
So pretty. Smile.
Big responsibility here. My man Ty told me to hold the boat.
It's so sunny and nice now.
Time to go bamboo rafting.
Oh, they're going to get on too.
Oh, it's gonna be a path to raft.
I was going to say, what are we going to do?
Back to the raffle.
That's it. Oh, right. Jokes with Jenny. Do I get a whistle? Mine broke. Jenny, you got a whistle? Yeah, you got a whistle. Blow it.
Heck no, Rose. Ew, guys.
Jenny is chilling on a Snapchat while we're stuck on a bamboo boat.
What are you doing?
I am getting good angles.
Oh, wait.
Our hero.
All heroes wear capes.
First time, that's good. Go on, yeah.
That's a big stick. Pause.
Get it.
Oh.
Wow.
Down by the river.
Once again, I'm helping. You're welcome, big friend. We are back. We're back.
We're back.
Yeah, time to get changed and go over to the main hall and get something to eat. Now we're all dressed up. Jenny did not bring a spare change of clothes, so she's rocking the baller my fit. Well, I'm all kitted out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're about to head up to the other hall and have some lunch. This is the Rawa village.
So nice. Voila!
Where's my girlfriend?
How was it?
A bit warm.
Oh.
That's good.
A little bit. Excuse me, thank you. So let's give the boys a big round of applause. 5% of the lunch. Sarang mua, betulang sa kutungin matin tuloy mo Australia, monitorang na prani ni sterilo sa kutungin benua.
Hey guys, so we just finished lunch. It was really good. We got to eat like traditional Fijian food. We finally got to try the fish in the coconut milk. We wanted to try that for a while, so it was really good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I really liked it. I really liked the what was it, stir fry?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just fascinating because they cooked this since 10 AM today underground. They had like these like really hot rocks and they wrapped the food, like the fish, the chicken, all in leaves, and they put them on the ground and they let it like cook for the whole day. And they put like rocks on top.
It was like pumpkin curry. It was really nice. I had like 2 servings.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, it was a really good experience.
And yeah, now we're gonna learn how they make these mats out of coconuts, as well as how they, like what they use to paint. And yeah, they're really generous. That's what we've noticed.
Okay, we carry baskets with us. Anything that needs to be carried. We cannot carry anything liquid, so no water in the basket, unless and until And I'm sorry, that's all I have for you from the coconut section. So. Matteo, bowl of vinaigrette.
Jenny all braided up.
Now I look more like a girl in this outfit.
Or a tomboy. So they just taught us how to make mats, braid coconut, and yeah, now we're going to the preschool. Right.
Open and little teeth to bite. A little tongue inside my mouth. I use it all the time.
Yep, so just finished the whole day tour. It's probably what, 3 something? I think it's like 3 or 4 o'clock, so it's gonna take us about 4 hours to get back. And then yeah, we're just gonna take a shower, hit the hay, and get ready for Mala Mala tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.
So we're gonna end the vlog now. Thank you for watching.
See ya.
Bye.